Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. Licking branch system. Imagine this licking branch system for $40. This system helps hunters create what's known as a mock scrape. The licking branch system includes a special spring unit used to mount an overhanging branch on a tree. This setup is designed to enhance its effectiveness in attracting deer. Typically, hunters coat the branch with an organic liquid that mimics the scent of deer without using any real animal secretions. According to Hodag Outdoors, this system effectively grabs the attention of deer, making them curious and more likely to approach. This gives hunters the opportunity to patiently wait for the perfect moment to make their move and ambush the deer. With the licking branch system, hunters can implement a strategic approach to their hunts, increasing their chances of success while respecting ethical hunting practices. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.